This is a snake plant, a common houseplant known for being nearly indestructible. Let's take a closer look with Better Homes and Gardens. The snake plant adds great architectural form to a room and complements all styles of decor. There are no stems on the snake plant, just tough, thick, upright leaves. It's extremely resilient and can survive most indoor conditions. The most common foliage showcases shades of green with silver-gray horizontal streaks, resembling snakeskin. They thrive in both bright, indirect sunlight as well as dark corners in the house, though they do grow slower in indoor light. Snake plants are perfect for beginner gardeners because they're hard to kill. You don't have to water your snake plant often. During the winter months, you can reduce watering to monthly or whenever the soil is dry to the touch. There are 3 ways to propagate a snake plant: division, leaf cuttings, and seeds. The fastest method is division. This involves breaking a larger snake plant into sections. Aim to create divisions with at least 3 leaves and accompanying roots. Then plant each division in a container filled with houseplant potting mix. Voila! There are over 70 different species, and here are 3 to add to your home. This is the bird's nest snake plant. This is the cylinder snake plant. And this is the Laurentii sansevieria, an especially popular variety known for its creamy yellow margins. Now that you've learned more about snake plants, go forth and plant.